Hi everyone and welcome back. So today we will be discussing about how to redeem codes in Haze. So this is going to be quite simple. Now what you're going to do is first launch Haze experience in Roblox. Once you do that, click on the menu button on the left of your screen and next click the gift icon at the top and enter a code. Once you do that, finally click the redeem button to get your rewards. And once you do that, what is gonna happen is you will be able to get your rewards, and that's quite simple. Now you can see various things in here if you are willing to simply check out some of the codes that you want to enter. So currently I'm also offering you guys some codes that you can try out, like for example this one, and you can also try out all of these other ones as well. So they are currently actively working and they will be providing you guys some discounts. You can see the perks and benefits right in front of them, and if you are maybe lucky, you can get some of these expired ones working as well. And make sure to give it a try to these, and who knows, you can get a benefit out of them. So that is it, and how to redeem codes in Haze. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you guys around in the next video.